Gunicorn Autoreload on source change. Finally, I migrated my development N from run server to Gunicorn/nginx. It'd be convenient to replicate the auto-reload feature of run server to Gunicorn, so the server automatically restarts when source changes. Otherwise I have to restart the server manually with kill hup. Any way to avoid the manual restart?
While this is old question, you need to know that ever since version 19.0 Gunicorn has had the reload option. So now no third-party tools are needed.
One option would be to use the max request to limit each spawn process to serving only one request by adding max request 1 to the startup options. Every newly spawned process should see your code changes, and in a development environment the extra startup time per request should be negligible.
Brian Helmut came up with this, and I modified it to use run_Gunicorn instead of launching Gunicorn directly, to make it possible to just cut and paste these 3 commands into a shell in your Django project root folder, with your virtual env activated.
I use git push to deploy to production and set up git hooks to run a script. The advantage of this approach is you can also do your migration and package installation at the same time. This URL. Then create a script /home/git/project_name.git/hooks/post receive. Make sure to chmod u plus x post receive, and add user to sudoers. Allow it to run sudo supervisor tool without password. This URL. From my local development server, I set up git remote that allows me to push to the production server. As a bonus, you will get to see all the prompts as the script is running. So you will see if there is any issue with the migration/package installation/supervisor restart.